Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck says he's disappointed at the lack of proper maintenance of the courts and their infrastructure. He was responding to concerns about the conditions of some of the nation's courts and the deterioration of the facilities. Speaking to one of, already owe them a chat to, their mouthpiece, my wisdom warriors. Chuck, you disappointed by the lack of maintenance of the court, and the public is disappointed with you not publishing the sexual offender registry. Look, from when we are called out to uno government, uno lawmakers, uno legislators to publish, to release the sexual offender registry, and all know you not release it, and that we are talking about. That is what we're talking about. Every day you come out and chat, and I skip past this, like this not important. Yeah, go on like said this not important. Ain't our children important? Listen, at the question me I ask you, brother. Because every day each up in a parliament a chat. And I know you cannot release the sexual offender registry. Why? You need to come and explain to the Jamaican people why you can't publish it. And that we want to know. Every day you come out and I say we must protect we kids. But when we kids go to church, they're not protected. When we kids go to school, they're not protected. When we kids go up the road, they're not protected. You can't depend on the parents them alone. We cannot depend on the parents them alone. Because when they send a pitney them go school, yeah, it is part of the government too for help with the pitney them. So you need to do the right thing, the right Chuck. This is what you need to do. I want Jamaican people look into this on the need to go out and protest about these things. Too much of our kids going missing. Too much. I mean, not see nobody come out and a protest about the missing pitney them. 11 pitney missing from them state care. I mean, I hear Andrew Wallace come out and do no press briefing about that. 11 pitney missing, my wisdom warriors, from state care. Within the space of 2 months, 11 pitney. 11 pitney gone missing. Nobody no know where them there. Nobody no find or buck up on nobody. Talk to me now. Talk to me. And Delroy Chuck cock up a chat, but he is disappointed by the lack of maintenance of courts. We the public disappointed in you, Delroy Chuck. We disappointed within you because I know you not come out and publish the sexual offender registry. We still waiting. We are out here still waiting on your brother. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this, because really and truly, Delroy Chuck are dipping at everybody business except for him business, you know. Him are dipping at everything except for him business. Except for him business, because this man, well I know say if he come and release the sexual offender registry, and he's not doing that. But we wonder why. We wonder why. What is going on? Who and who in a fear party? My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Anyway, on Saturday, a man died as a result of injuries he sustained after the car he was traveling in overturned on the Long Bay Main Road in Portland. He is 20-year-old Knoxroy Hewitt, a resident of Rural Hill District in the parish. On the other side of the country, a 29-year-old St. Elizabeth man died as a result of injuries he sustained in a crash on the Lacovia Main Road early Sunday morning. And in St. James, the police have reported that 29-year-old twin brothers, Kenroy Miller, otherwise called Gunny, and his twin brother, I did tell you about this one earlier, Vinroy Miller, otherwise called Stammer, died when their motorcycle collided. They are from Spot Valley in the parish. My wisdom warriors, may I tell you, say, a pure accident are going on the road. A whole heap of lives has been lost on this road. Whole heap of people lose them life. Whole heap of people lose them life. Right now, the National Road Safety Council is calling for the police to be given more resources to help stem the number of road fatalities. What I mean more resources? Look how much resources them get. Andrew Wallace take the money, him claim say, and spend it on security forces. So what I talk about? Me tell you now what Andrew Holness need to do. I say it already. Andrew Holness, you need to get camera, CCTV. This is what you need to put up all over in the 14 parishes them. Put up CCTV, especially all upon them the road, the main road there, upon the toll everywhere. Put up CCTV. You understand? Put up a speeding camera. If you really want to help the Jamaican people, put up a speedy camera. My wisdom warriors. That means say, when them a drive fast, the camera I go take them picture. Remember say everybody will have them car, you know. Remember say they in car, license, insure. So you know say from the license, insure, everything linked to an address. So from them take the camera, from them take the picture using the speeding camera, I done it done. So them I go know say they enough to drive fast because the camera I go take them picture. Listen to me, man. If Andrew Holness really want to help the Jamaican people, he can because he have the money for do so. He have the money, my wisdom warriors. And I like say him not have the money. Him have money. You understand? But he doesn't want to spend it. He doesn't want to spend it. I want to understand too. A whole heap, a MP in the Jamaica Labour Party have funeral home. Them a funeral home and if people not dead, what think I go happen? Them business I go lock down and them not depend that. Them not depend that. So I want to know if you do critical thinking. This is what I want to know if you do. Critical thinking. Dissect things, my wisdom warriors. As I said before, there's MP. You have MPs in the Jamaican Labour Party that have own funeral home, my wisdom warriors. Not one, not two. More than two, more than three. Them own funeral home. So I want to expect. One things that the government go to an extra measure. So when them are call, the National Road Safety Council is calling for the police to be given more resources. Me not understand. Just get camera, speeding camera, put it up all over, put it on the toll. Una can do it. Una can do it. And from them see. From them upon the toll, they know say, you know what, speeding camera about the place and a man, it'll go take me picture. You understand me? It'll take the picture, it'll go catch the license plate. It'll go catch the license plate and even phone a picture too. So, Andrew Holness, una labor writer over here, una can tag Andrew Holness and or una go tell him what me say. Una go and go tell him what me say. But me not think that I go happen because Andrew Holness now go take all of them the money they fi do that because that costs money, my wisdom warriors. It costs money and him have the money. Him have the money. Jamaica rich, Jamaica not poor. You hear me? And the government make the people them poor. Jamaica rich blouse and skirt country. Anyway, tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you don't agree with my idea. You don't have to agree with it, you know, but you can tell me what you think. The Jamaica Umbrella Group of Churches, JUGC, is urging the government to reconsider its decision to defer the introduction of Unexplained Wealth Orders, UWO, in Jamaica. Want to hear that, my wisdom warriors? The church finally come out again. Remember, say other day, my lady, they run out because she was part of the Constitution, you know. The Jamaica Umbrella Group was part of the Constitution. You understand? And them did agree with everything Marlene Malahou say. But anyhow, the Jamaica Umbrella Group of Churches, which is the JUGC, is urging the government to reconsider the decision to defer the introduction of Unexplained Wealth Orders, UWO, in Jamaica. The group is among several stakeholders in the National Consensus on Crime who have raised concern about the decision despite several promises by the government to implement it in the country's legislative framework. When I hear them something, my wisdom warriors? When I hear them something, you know, the church, them not happy with Andrew Holness and Horace Chang and Delroy Chuck and Juliet Holness and Marlene Malahou, Kamina Johnson, the whole shebang. The church, them not happy with it because how can you say unexplained wealth is not a problem, my wisdom warriors? How can you say that? How can you say that? And the only reason why they're doing this is just because Andrew Holness wants to save himself. Because I see expose him and he want to save himself. Remember, I know, if Andrew Holness earn 9 million a year, my wisdom warriors. Just say, let's dissect this. Andrew Holness earn, all right, I'm not going to use Andrew Holness. Let's use minimum wage. So, you know, say we have a job and you're getting, for example, you're getting 15,000 every week, yeah? Because 15,000 they ain't get no so? Right. So 15,000 every week. But when something happen and then investigator them start to go down in your life and investigate you. When them check then say you earn 15,000 a week, but yet you have all 500,000 a come in at this account, a go out in that the account. Then you have 1 million a come in at this account and then you are putting 300,000. How? If you earn 15,000 a week, where is the 100,000 coming from? Where is the 500,000 coming from? Where is the $1 million coming from? And the same thing happened to Andrew Holness. He's earning 9 million. Plus, you know, saying get the little extra from the Privy Council. Because Andrew Holness, not listen, Andrew Holness, I get money from Privy Council, you know. I know, not now hide. I'm tell you already, say England no hide nothing from them people. You understand me? So my wisdom warriors, yeah? If you get 15,000 a week, but yet, when them check it out, you have all 1 million a come in. You yourself are putting all 500,000. That means you get money somewhere. So you have to come and explain it to them where you're getting this money from. You go just say, I work hard, you know, I've been working hard for so long. That not explain nothing. And the same thing reach Andrew Holness. You earn 9 million a year, brother. But when you're looking at your account, you have all 50 million. How comes the people them want you to explain when you go explain that is satisfy them? Because they know say you're liar. Them know say you're liar. So a lot of people, my wisdom warriors, coming out here and I talk about Andrew Holness work hard. If you work hard, you can explain to them where you get the money from. You go have proof. You go show them how you come by this. If somebody give you 100,000 for free, if that they understand, if somebody lend your money, you go have proof. So when you see them come out and I talk about them go differ unexplained wealth and one bag of something, and just because them a thief, my wisdom warrior. So you know what? Me say it already, I'm gonna say it again. One rules for the citizens and another rules for the ministers. And it is not fair. It is totally not fair. It is totally, my wisdom warriors, not fair. So this unexplained wealth, what I'm talking about, is bullshit. It is bullshit. A whole heap of time police hold on and scammer. And scammer no explain, I can't explain. I want to take away the money. I want to take away the money. They ain't got a court. I want to take away the money and lock up them backside. Yeah? I want to prosecute them. So why Andrew Holness case is different? Why Andrew Holness case is different? And you know, easy in my wisdom warriors in bare face, I bring IC court for struck out section 14.5. We talk about the same unexplained wealth. This man a one dangerous man. Dangerous man. Use all charity funds, charity money, and then have the audacity to come out and I tell the court, say, your charity never register. That means you have to be prosecuted because you're collecting donations, funding. Jesus, the man terrible. He wicked. And when I hear the labor right them, I defend Andrew Holness. You wouldn't think so when Andrew Holness thief the money, them a get a cut out of it. I saw them make it look. They not no shame on the taking labor right. Uno not no shame. Me see one and two uno come in and me thing and I threaten me. Listen to me, man. Let me tell you something. Because on the day I watch me, let me tell you something. You see, the more I send on a threat, the more me get stronger and the more me I go talk. So might as well not shut on no gob. Might as well not text me. Me I tell you no. Might as well not text me. Una waste on no time. Una waste on no time. Me leave uno to God. Me leave all vengeance to God. And God I go deal with uno. God I go deal with uno. Whatsoever uno want do to me, or whatsoever uno want people do to me, may it happen to uno generation triple. My wisdom warriors, just because I come out and I talk the truth, and me expose the truth, because when me talk, me have proof and me have evidence. Me not stay like a some dirty king labor right. We only come out with one bag of mouth, with them mouth full of shit on YouTube, on TikTok, and chat, and then have no evidence and no proof. Sometimes when they even put up something, if you don't have understanding, if you don't have knowledge and understanding, they might trick the people them. The labor right, they might trick the Jamaican people just because of one man. You see the man a thief from you. You see what happened to you say more money. And you come out and justify. You come out and justify. Look what happened to you say about money. When Jean Pantan, when everything bust out, with Jean Pantan, my wisdom warriors, it was the FSC that was responsible for SSL, You didn't know that? So nobody can tell me nothing. Nobody can tell me nothing. I strongly believe the government involved in this. Because they say if the government never involved in this, my wisdom warriors, you see, if they never involve, listen, me no mean say so it go, but me I tell you now when me believe, yeah? Because look into this, why the FSC requested for the judge not to publish the SSL trustee report. Why? Remember, so the SSL trustee report consists of money going out, money coming in, and who money I go to, and how the money spent. Why did FSC, remember, so the FSC is in the Prime Minister office. So why the FSC request for the judge not to publish the SSL report? One of the things that we are that labor right to talk about that. So when I say come out, Mark Golding of trust fund, and Mark Golding a thing for himself alone. You understand? Mark Golding a thing for himself alone. Mark Golding have trust fund and go. But Mark Golding have trust fund. That is not an issue. The problem is how comes you come by this money that we are asked about. Listen, and me see some people are go around my wisdom warriors and I talk about how Mark Golding need to declare in the shut on a nastiness. Shut on a nastiness and stop tell lie on the man. Shut on a nastiness, dirty king labor right. My wisdom warriors, anyone say the dirty king labor right them, I run off the mouth and then I have proof. Listen, sometimes they put up some little things. And if you don't read it good, them trick you. Because I see them do it, I see them do it and then I tell lies, say a PNP do it. Listen to me, man. PNP always have proof. One thing me notice with enough PNP bloggers, the reason why I say PNP bloggers, remember say, Franya Lico against Andrew Holness, then say a PNP. The IC expose Andrew Holness, then say the IC a PNP. When the judge, you see, Andrew Holness gonna court now, I mean no say that Andrew, you now win that the case there. You now win that the case there. You're going to hear them say, the judge a PNP. Oh no, wait 1 minute more. Andrew Holness, better you resign, brother. Because you waste your time. You waste your time. Because remember that you alone under investigation, Remember say a whole heap of unu, Whole heap of unu in the Jamaica Labour Party under investigation, brother. Remember that. So the court couldn't so fool. Fear listen to your rubbish. Just because they expose your nastiness. What kind of man you is? What kind of man you is? People not have respect for you, brother. People lose respect for you because the way you steer. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, remember to turn on the post notification bell on. So when I drop the video, them, you get them straight away. Alright? Follow me on TikTok, IG, and Instagram. The link I got in the comment section. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, all you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.